こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Sheena is going to make crispy chili oyster mushrooms. This dish is a vegan mock-up of the popular Chinese takeaway classic crispy chili beef. Instead of meat, Sheena is using oyster mushrooms, which are buttered, deep-fried until perfectly crispy, and then tossed in a mouth-watering sticky sweet and tangy sauce with slices of onion and chili. The oyster mushrooms are meaty and juicy inside with a delightfully crunchy exterior. It's crispy, saucy, bold, and 100% plant-based, simply irresistible. Okay, let's get started. Thinly slice half an onion. Mince 2 cloves of garlic. And a small piece of ginger, about 1 teaspoon. Slice 1 red chili into thin rings. Sheena uses 1 chili, but if you want, adjust the amount of chili to suit your spice preference. Next, we will make the sauce. In a bowl, place 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of brown sauce or Worcestershire sauce. Mix well everything and set aside. Now, let's prepare the crispy oyster mushrooms. Tear 200 grams of oyster mushrooms into bite-sized strips and place them in a bowl. Add 1.5 tablespoons of sake or Shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 3 tablespoons of cornflour or potato starch. Mix everything well with your hands, ensuring the mushrooms are evenly coated. For extra crispiness, create a second coating. In a shallow dish, mix 70 grams of cornflour or potato starch with a quarter teaspoon of salt and 2 pinches of white pepper. Dredge each piece of the coated mushrooms in this dry mixture. This double coat is the secret to achieving a delightfully crispy texture when deep fried. Heat vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat and bring the temperature to 170 degrees. Gently drop the coated mushrooms into the oil in small batches. Be careful not to overcrowd the pan to maintain their crispiness. Deep fry until golden and crispy. Then transfer them to a mesh rack to drain excess oil. Repeat until all the mushrooms are deep fried. Now, the final step to bring the dish together. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the minced garlic, ginger, sliced onions, and chilies. Stir fry for about 1 minute until fragrant. Pour in the sauce and stir for another 1 minute until it slightly thickens. Add the fried oyster mushroom to the frying pan. Toss to coat the mushrooms evenly with the sauce, working quickly to preserve their crispiness. Transfer them to a serving plate. Serve with a bowl of steamed rice or noodles. できた! Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said. It's crispy, full of flavor, and so satisfying. The sauce clings perfectly to each piece, and the oyster mushrooms have that amazing texture. It's like the perfect plant-based upgrade. If you are carving something bold and delicious, this will hit the spot. Thank you for watching Furi Furi Kitchen. ありがとう! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye! またね